And I need a drink after that.
Right? That was stressful. Hey boujie besties, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, I'm Miriam J. So for those of you who are not new, you know I'm in like a different scenery, but I'm at an Airbnb filming some content with my friend Ellie. Look at Ellie, she's filming. But right now I am filming. Y'all, so I almost had a heart attack. So we just hear some men's voices and I like automatically just started running, but it's the pool boys. I don't know if you guys can see them back there, but yeah, it's just the pool boys. But ask Ellie, I ran.
And I need a drink after that.
Right? That was stressful.
That
was just very, very stressful.
Way too much. It was so funny though.
And I was like, what the fuck?
Usually I'm not that chill.
So, I tried the new Snoop Dogg wine. It's actually pretty good. I mixed it with the Stella Rosa to add a little bit of sweetness, but I kind of like it. It's pretty good. How many videos did I do today? Like 7, and my goal is 10.
That's good.
Yeah.
I did like 8 TikToks. A lot of photos and videos.
You only did 8? I feel like you were doing like so many.
I do my like back-to-back voiceovers that I've saved. So I did like 8.
Okay.
Yeah.
There was one day, girl, I was working. I did 20.
That's a lot.
Yeah, I know. It was a lot. I was exhausted. I did so much, I couldn't even edit at the end of the night. I was so exhausted. Look who came. Chauncey. So, we're content batching today.
Maybe you are 5'4".
She goes, maybe you are 5'4". That's what every doctor tells me.
But you're not though.
Yeah, I am.
Whatever, Mayor. Plenty of people.
My camera is broken. I need another one. We're leaving. We had a good day. Very productive. I got like 8 videos done today. So excited about that. Shoot, I gotta post that other video. I think I have like 12 hours to post it.
I think I'm crazy. Hey, I've been craving. If I put it quite plainly, just give me the baby. So what you doing tonight? What is they doing you right? Watching movies, but we ain't seen a thing tonight. But I wanna keep you up, you. What you mean, can you keep it up, yeah? 'Cause I'm not allowed to keep you up. So baby, I'ma keep you up. I've been drinking coffee, and I've been eating healthy. I'ma keep it sticky, I don't
this hair in my head. I'm actually kind of digging it a little. Like, y'all know this isn't really my style. I'm not gonna say it's not my style because technically this is how my hair grows out of my head, for real, for real. As far as styling, you know, this isn't really my style, but I like it with the sunflowers and stuff. This hair is by this company called Gorgeous Hair, and it's for a sponsored video for TikTok, but it's literally like a throw-on wig that has like black girl texture. So this is like 4C texture. This is how I styled the whole look. I freaking love. But yeah, today we're just filming. Okay, got those pictures in. Now we're gonna change the hair. Okay, so it's later in the evening. Actually it's like 1 a.m. But my sister came over to help me film because she said she would, and she ended up having to leave 10 minutes into being here. So that just aggravated me a little. So now I didn't have help doing the video that I wanted to, which was the intro, but you know. One of the most frustrating things about being a content creator is literally not having help. Like, and by help I mean not having help as far as like having someone hold the camera, be characters in your skit, be a part of your skits. Like, it just gets so frustrating sometimes. Sometimes like I need my videos to move around, and me personally, I can't afford to hire a videographer every single day, you know, to help me film. So I have to rely on friends and family. So I'll ask, and they'll be like, yeah, I'm down, and then like they'll come like hours late, or they have like hella stipulations on, you know, what they can do in that time, or you know, whatever, which is fine. Like, everybody has their own boundaries, but it's like, why even like agree to do the job if you can't do the job, or if you won't do the job if you don't want to, you know what I mean? So that's the only thing that's like so frustrating about it. I never want people to feel like they're obligated to help, but at this, it's just really annoying. I don't know, maybe it's because I'm such a giving person, like, and I'm such a helpful person. I always like jump in and help people, and when it comes time for me to need help, there's never anyone around, and it just gets so frustrating. But you know, that's my fault, because that's me expecting people to do for me what I do for them, and a lot of the times in life that isn't the case. But you know, whatever. I ended up filming what I needed to film, and you know, we got it done. We got her done.